Good afternoon, Friday afternoon, July 30th. Let's hold the camera straight. It's our second day of fishing what's called Beauty Lake. And it's about 2.5 miles above Beartooth Lake. We're probably, I have to check the GPS, but I believe that we're right around 9,700 feet. And we've done really well up here. About 20 to 25 cutthroat, and Stephanie caught first rainbow that we've pulled out of this lake earlier today, and it was a nice one. It was about a 10-inch rainbow. So we really like it. So we're gonna go back down and see if we can scare up another rainbow. We're just fishing the inlet here, and a little bit slow, a lot of weeds. So we're using flies, but it's just like, you don't catch anything. Doesn't matter. Doesn't get any better than this. Let's go see what these dogs are doing. Head on down the trail here. Don't forget my pole. Big dog talking. It's a pretty good trail that comes up here too. How is it? Buggy? Yeah, there's a lot of mosquitoes. Yeah, we're ready to move on down to the other side. Yeah, where the fish are. It's a pretty good campsite right here. Wow, I love this. What do you guys think, huh, Jax? What do you think, Jingle Bells? Wanna go in one more time? Wanna go in one more time? Ready, Jess? Ready, Jess? What? Oh, you cheering him on? Cheering him on? We'll scare away the bears. There are grizzlies up this way. They had one in camp a couple weeks ago. These are all right, time to get on down the trail. Good day.